Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You will start now. Power off the iPhone 7 and remove the SIM tray to avoid accidental power or network events. Once done, unscrew the two pentalobe screws beside the lightning port. This frees the front panel. Use a suction cup and plastic pick to gently lift the display. Work slowly to avoid tearing the flex cables. Make sure to keep screws organized. Small parts are easy to lose, and correct reassembly depends on their order. With the display opened, disconnect the battery first. This prevents short circuits while you work. Next, remove the metal bracket securing the display and home button cables. Unscrew the tiny T3 screws and lift the shield. Locate the home button ribbon cable and gently pry its connector free. Once disconnected, remove the button assembly from the bezel. Install the replacement button, align the cable and press the connector until it clicks. Reattach the shield and bracket to keep everything grounded and stable. Reassemble by reconnecting the display cables and then the battery. Order matters, so do battery last before final closure. Gently lower the display and reinsert the two pentalobe screws to reseal the case. Power on the phone and test the button. Press for home, hold for Siri, and confirm Touch ID enrollment if available. If the button clicks but Touch ID does not register, make sure the cable is fully seated. If problems persist, a software restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.